But, you know, kids are like your Studebaker. They take a lot of maintenance and upkeep and love, and you don't just give one of those things up lately. And so when I do hand one over, I think there should be some words of wisdom and advice to go along with them. And the other night I was trying to figure out what to do. And finally, I was doing a little bit of filing in the house, and I run across the warranty for the coffee grinder. And I started reading it, and I thought, you know, this is exactly what I want to say. So Nathan, I'm just going to read this out to you. And it goes on, it says, in part, you know, the manufacturer warns that this appliance shall be free from all defects of material and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date acquired. It goes on to say that during that period, these defects will be repaired, or the products will be replaced at the manufacturer's option. Now, I've only got 2 kids, you do the math. It also says that this warranty covers normal domestic usage and does not cover damage which occurs in shipment or failure which results from alteration, accident, misuse, abuse, neglect, commercial use, or improper maintenance. And lastly, and I thought this was really important, and it is something I want to pass on to you, that the warranty is invalid if the product is being serviced by an unauthorized service provider. So what this means, Nathan? What this means to me, Nathan, is you got her. You can't be mean to her. Your responsibility for maintenance, and you can't give her back. And if you do, I get to pick the replacement.